Kuttanad is a river delta landscape region in the state of Kerala, India, known for its vast paddy fields and geographical peculiarities. It is in the districts of Alappuzha, Kottayam and Pathanamthitta. Kuttanad wetland agriculture system is below sea level, created by draining delta swamps in brackish waters. The system is a complex mosaic of fragmented agricultural landscapes divided in three structures. Wetlands used for paddy activities and fish catching, garden lands used for food crops plantation, and water areas used as inland fishing and shells.
കുട്ടനാട് കുട്ടിക്കുറുമ്പൻ കരിയല കെട്ടിമറിയും നാട് കുട്ടനാട്